We are excited to introduce you to the Bloomreach Use Case Center. The center comprises ready-to-launch use cases designed over thousands of hours by Bloomreach experts and guarantees an uplift in your business metrics. We are continuously working on adding new use cases and encourage you to share with us your suggestions. Find all the use cases presented as tiles and filter them based on your goals, channel, or level of maturity. See the documentation in the top right corner to learn more about the Use Case Center and access the step-by-step guides which can support you with the use case's deployment. Click on the tile to see the visualization of the use case. For example, this use case presents customers with an offer to make a purchase using a discount code. It helps with acquisition of the customer and improves metrics such as average order value and conversion rate. Find here also the use case-specific documentation for an extra support with the deployment. Let's now download the use case. Don't worry, this doesn't launch the campaign yet. Feel free to download any of the use cases as many times as you need. When you download the use case, you might be requested to meet the data mapping requirements to ensure the use case can be deployed in your project. Follow our step-by-step documentation, which will guide you through the change of data mapping settings with ease. Next follows the use case setup. Here you can see the key use case items. Read their descriptions to understand what does the use case consist of. In addition, you can read the documentation with detailed instructions on how to deploy this use case or start the in-app guide tutorial, which will guide you through the use case step by step. In this example, we can see only 2 use case items. Both are predefined and out-of-the-box solutions which are ready to be deployed. The only necessary change you need to make here is to make a couple of tweaks to the campaign's design and copy so it visually fits your brand and business needs. Save your campaign changes regularly to not lose your progress. Before you deploy the use case, make sure you test the final version of its design. Read the use case documentation for step-by-step instructions on how to test your campaign. After you have tested the final version of the use case, you can start the campaign. See the campaign's real-time results in the evaluation dashboard, which has preset analytics that help you to measure its impact and point to possible enhancements and customizations. The evaluation dashboards are parameterized, what means you need to fill in a couple of details to get the data into the dashboard. In this case, we need to choose the attribution window, the banner name, and the voucher code you are using in this campaign. Hit the refresh button to save the changes. Keep in mind that data are not available immediately after the campaign launch. And that's all on Use Case Center. Explore the growing library of use cases and start creating your new advanced campaigns with ease today.